What's going on, my fellow subscribers? It's J5, back with some content for you kids. Got a new rig here. You guys know me and my fucking rigs, but yeah, I just want to fucking come into the channel, let you guys know where I've been, what I've been up to, why I haven't been posting much content with my car. You know, I had some big life changes and whatnot, but everything was good. Some good, some bad, but currently just about to put in some subs today from the old rig. I don't know if you can see this shit. So I'm gonna install these in here because it's got a weak sound system. Get some exciting B-rolls, whatnot. Fucking, yeah, it's been a long summer, fall cleanups, all that. Just unloaded the rig yesterday. Shouts out to Alec Charlie. Thank you for letting me hold me down with some storage. Yeah. So, this is my 2000 Chevy Silverado. I purchased it off the Facebook Marketplace for $2,500 bucks. Talked down this Ricky from $3,000 to $2,500. I tried throwing the $2,000 offer, but he gave me this like. So I proceeded to ask him, "Can you please tell me all the bullshit that's with your truck?" So he was very honest, and I really appreciate him for being very honest with me. I needed to pick up a new rig because my Subaru was rotted, the strut towers were poking through the top. I needed my business to continue, and obviously, you know, there's a truck shortage, the world sucks, you know, I don't have credit, so it's like, how do I make a business thrive? So I picked up a Chevy, 6.0 Chevy, you already know, 8 miles per gallon with the tow, you feel me? I ain't really worried about that, you know? It can tow, it's a fucking Chevy, it starts right the fuck up. You know, it's a fucking Chevy, it starts right the fuck up. But, I don't know. Anyways, you know, had to do some TLC, as they would say. Me and my buddy, we banged out a heater core job in 20 hours. Fucking nightmare, don't do that shit. What else? We did U-joints, they're fucking seized up, had to fucking put heat, presses, this, that, banging, bloody knuckles. Got the car, brakes work fine, the lines are a little rotted, gas tanks held up by tie straps, you know, got a couple slow leaks, side view mirrors taped up, you know, all things you expect with a work truck, but I really, you know, really dependent on this thing, and hopefully it can bring me through like next season to the time I can like lease a truck or something. Yeah, I'm really trying to move towards not working for people. I want to really make my own living and, you know, be able to pay people and give people the jobs and service, and, you know, just want to take care of a group of people, get the job done right, make money, and fucking move forward, you know? Tired of fucking scratching everyone else's back. It's time to scratch my own. So, I know I haven't been making content as much as I have my Mondays and fucking giveaways and all that fun, giggly ass shit, but life was real for J5. Hopefully, not too many people have been watching this far in the video. I had to wait until this long. I recently was convicted of a DWI. I got dropped down in court to a, you know, DWAI, so I don't have a license right now. So, shit's gonna be moving a little slower, but, you know, J5 will bounce back, you know, don't worry. I'll be driving that pig soon, but yeah, give me like 7 weeks. So I'm gonna throw on my Alpine Type S that I've been fucking hoarding for years. I built this box. Well, I didn't build it. I bought it and installed the speaker myself. Got an amp here, got all the wires. Should be a plug and play. Show you what I'm working with. It's not really much to show in this. Fucking stereo deck's held in by a rag, so I'm gonna pull this out, run a remote and the RCA in the back. Then I'm literally just gonna ghetto fucking run it back here. Run the wire through the hood, and I don't give a shit. Plug the power up like that. And fucking see if we got music, but yeah, a lot of blown speakers in this thing. I've been driving around doing accounts and, you know, I want to bump, you know J5 likes to bump in his rigs. But yeah, just fucking unloaded the bitch. Gonna get my snow removal equipment loaded up soon. I'll definitely be back on to show you guys that. Hey, if you guys are interested in content of me vlogging during the snow removal this season, I probably won't have a license and I'll be in the passenger seat, so I'll definitely be willing to take some vlogs or whatever. But I plan to attack fucking all these accounts with 2 snowblowers. I got a Craftsman 30, Arian 28. I got a whole bunch of shovels, different types, you know, for scraping, picking, you know, all that type of shit. I'm gonna do some salting. Yeah, let's make some side money. I'm not really looking to plow with this thing. It's fucking junk, you know. Look at this shit. You know what I mean? I'm not really looking to chase fucking truck problems, you know. Especially fucking, you know, fucking license. Fuck. So, expose this amp blue wire. Usually the remote wire is going to plug up to some blue wire on the deck. Here's my AV, or RCA, I don't even know what to call these anymore, but for my last setup, I just fucking pulled it out, wrapped it up. You set up subs, it's literally just fucking power, ground, and these 2 cables. Quick update. So I got the audio cable plugged in the back. You can see the remote I twisted together, not taped off, don't yell at me. Yeah. So we're gonna try to test this out. I got the power going in now. So simply, you know, 10 mil bolt, take that off, put it there. And then I'm gonna fish it right through there. And then I'm gonna run, you know, power through this side. I'll probably run the audio on the other side so you don't mix the cords together for fucking, you know, good sound quality, all that nonsense. I don't know. Alright. I gotta put you on this. This is fucking, my terminals are a little loose. I'm gonna fucking get her tightened back, you know? Yeah, I don't really believe in one-time fixes, but either stiff. Oh, right there, it's tight. Right. See? Boom, fixed. God bless. Sick. Trusty Chevy. Decent. One more status update. I don't really know how. I kind of came out here spur of the moment. I didn't go buy tape. I don't have fucking wire cutters and strippers or whatever. But I'm gonna use this little piece of tape that was pre-existing on here for the remote wire in the car. Getting the job done right, you know? I was gonna leave that shit bare, be straight up. But, alright. Key turn will be next. Man, fucking wiring is really annoying to me. But, in theory, it should be connected. I didn't try it out yet, though. Save the moment for us. Like I said, I fucking put the power here, ran it through the fucking fender. The little JDM wire tucking through the fucking whatever the hell you want to call that. And this is where we stand. So I got power in, remotes in, ground. I decided to use one of the seat bolts. I don't know if you can see all that metal scraped, but I took a bunch of paint, tightened that motherfucker down as hard as possible. that's not a good ground, then I'm about to just bring the shit back upstairs and give up because I hate looking for fucking grounds. It's gotta be a ground, right? Isn't the fucking seats connected to the frame or whatever? In theory. Alright, so I'm gonna give her a whirl. Let's see what it is. So far not good, motherfucker. Oh, I'm a gnar. I forgot to turn the stereo on. Stereo's on. Amps on. Alright. So, I'm running a sound test right now, so I can fucking not get unmonetized. But I never hooked these up. That's how you know I'm a fucking burnout. Let's try that on. Pause that. Alright. So that green power, that's like good news right there. This is so sad, but I really don't remember how these go. Fucking, I'm gonna try both ways. Alright. Fucking working on a truck is a pain in the dick. You gotta fucking walk like a mile to get to the other side. Fucking everything's in the fucking way. But we got power. RCA's in there. Let's give this sub a test. Please, God. Oh, I felt it. Oh shit, yeah, it's working good. Yo. Banging subs, getting accounts done. Yeah. Am I cool? Alright, well. That's basically all I can really show. Yeah, it's set up. It works. First try, kind of. I'm gonna install in the back and see what kind of look we can get. But yeah, truck's got subs now. Alright. That took me 8 tries, I'll be straight up with you. I'm telling you, man, I've never hooked up a system like it just been like, alright, sick, it's legit. When I put it all in nice and tucked and wire tucked everything, it starts shorting out. I'll put you onto that one real quick because that could be an easy fucking troubleshoot for anyone, to any car, any project. Dude, what the fuck? Dude, filming by yourself sucks. How do I fucking pull the seat back by myself, right? I'm gonna put the camera down and do that. Fuck, here we go. Alright, anyways. So, I have the ground on this side, but you have to make sure that the power and ground is on the other side because that conflicts that. It basically shorted.
Monster kill.
Shorts it out. Shortages is out. What the fuck, man? Dude, stay in school. Stop smoking pot. I hope I don't get in trouble, but you know, DWI burnouts. Oh my god. Yeah.
Hello?
Not bad. This thing's junk. I can't even fucking spin the tires in this thing. Alright, that's a project done. This is my trusty old Chevy, named and incorporated from the previous owner. I'm gonna stick with it. Sounds like a good name. Trusty. Yeah. Good old trusty Chevy. Look at us. We'll get to you soon, don't worry. Sooner or later. I'm gonna put some goodies on this thing. But in reality I can't right now, so stay stay tuned for more content. I should have more time in my hands from being an unlicensed driver and shit now. I'll definitely keep you updated with the snow removal and all that. Yeah, you guys leave in the comments below. What do you want to see done? You want to see some skating, some snowboarding, more vlogs? You know, what do you want? What do you want from J5? But anyways, you guys have good holidays. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for viewing my videos. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, your family, you know. But yeah, peace.